Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. I hope you enjoy. And for today's video, I want to read some article from investing.com with title Ukraine on Edge as Shellfire Resounds Around Zaporizhia Nuclear Plant by Max Hunter. But before I read this article, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So now, let's get to the article reading. Article by Max Hunter. KYIV returns. Shellfire at the Russian-occupied Zaporizhia nuclear power plant in Ukraine fueled fears of major disaster as both sides kept blaming the other while Russian forces targeted towns and on the far side of the river from Europe's largest atomic plant. Despite the danger, officials from the United Nations nuclear watchdog were still waiting for clearance to visit the plant on the southern front line of the war, standing beside a crater at a school that had been largely reduced to rubble. The governor Zaporizhia region, Alexander Staruch, told Ukrainian television people were being informed how to apply iodine in case of a radiation leak. He was speaking in the city of Zaporizhia, 2 hours drive from the plant, which sits along the vast Kakhovka reservoir on the Dnipro River. Russian forces seized the plant since early March, soon after invading Ukraine, while Ukrainian staff continue to operate it. In recent weeks, both countries have traded blame for shelling near the plant. Ukraine's state nuclear company Ener- Energe- Energoatom said Russian troops again shelled the grounds of the complex in last 24 hours. The damage is currently being ascertained, and Energoatom wrote in a statement on Telegram. Moscow's defense ministry on Saturday accused Ukrainian forces of shelling the plant complex 3 times in 24 hours. It said a statement 17 shells were fired, with four hitting the roof of a building storing 168 assemblies of U.S. West Westinghouse nuclear fuel. It said 10 shells exploded near a dry storage facility on spent nuclear fuel and 3 near a building that houses fresh nuclear fuel storage. It said the radiation situation at the plant remained normal. So okay, that's the article with title Ukraine on Edge as Shellfire Resounds Around Zaporizhia Nuclear Plant by Max Hunter. Maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry for the mistake. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video.